Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Instagram application. Make sure you are logged into your account. There is no who blocked you list or option on Instagram. So to see who blocked you on Instagram, just tap on the search icon which is right next to home icon. And then in the search bar, search the user. And if you can't find them, then it means that they have blocked you. And this is how you can see who blocked you on Instagram. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.